Okay, guys. Let's get right to it. Comment and like before you get in. Like. So we can kick the algorithm. Okay, let's take this. Okay, what's we got here? We have this one, guys. It jumped down yesterday. Pharma-side biotech, and we have news about listing on the Nasdaq after they did almost 1 to 1,500. Imagine. And this is one of the requirement actually to be above the $1 in order to be listed on Nasdaq. When they actually got listed on Nasdaq, we saw the price went until the 10, then the price the next day, boom, went down until the $3.37. $3.63 right now, and kind of we have a support around the $3.37. For AMC, we have the price rejected as we predicted around the 40, guys. And we see a doji star right now, candle forming for 1 day. And the price closed really bearish sign below our exponential average. And that's clear that we might see the price, if by Monday, guys, we close around the 31, we're gonna see the 25. Really like test today, really the last support for AMC around the 32, 36. So the 31 will be the decisive moment. Okay. Hi, Ash. Okay, what we got here? Another thing we're gonna discuss. We have Axella going up after testing the support. We have Sensionic clearing the resistance, exploding right now. Sensionic is actually heading toward the $3.83.80 because we respected this ascending channel, guys. Perfect for Sensionic, and now clear the resistance. And again, Marine, we have Marine today, a big jump, then a big sell-off around the $6. Naked as well, we have a test and rejected. Right now we try to close around the 0.55. This is really nice, 0.5499. Really what we want to see, as we said in the video, 0.55 to close by today will be really nice. AMD is bumping, guys. AMD is bumping because Nvidia is actually bumping as well. What we have here for Neo as well. For Neo is a bit bearish, guys. We still have a momentum going down for Neo. Yes, I will take this out. Okay, I'll put it here. Do I have any info about AZRX? I will check it out right now. Okay, what's about this stock? We never covered this before. This is new one. Okay, for this one we have a this is a kind of thing I don't like, you know, like a massive rejection after a big bump, you know. So for this one, like have a massive like resistance around the $1. Yeah, the $1 is the massive resistance for this one. This time we got rejected around the 80, so this is a bit of sign of weakness, and we went back to the support right now around the 50. So the 50 cent is the like the last or the strongest support for this stock, and the massive squeeze will be around the $1. So if we clear the $1 for this one, will be the next target around the $1.93. I will take my profit. So I'll put my notification, this one around the $1 and $1 and $1.79. Yeah, $1.80 would be good after we clear the $1. But now I think is like near the support. Yeah, really near the support. If we hold this above the 50 and 59, really nice price to buy and just have be ready to the next jump. Yeah, since Yannick is actually holding this resistance above the resistance right now, we confirm. Yes, since Yannick confirmed for our candle above our resistance, perfect ending for the Friday. This is really crazy. So for this one, for before we go to the moon, guys, I expect by Monday a test around the $3.60 before the $3.80. The massive squeeze will be around the $3.80, okay? The $3.80 will be the point of doing this, okay? Let me show you what Cincinnati will do. It's been ready to do this reaction, okay? A big W shape to take us until the 550. This one will be a major move for Cincinnati, happening really soon around the $3.82. The big squeeze area, $3.82. So what did you hunt, guys? Let me know about the stock that you hunted today. It was a good day for you guys. I think today was a bit greener, better than the last time, yeah? Update, yalla. Yes, update. Yes. Let's go, everybody. Bless the like button and the way in, and let's get right to it. Yes, Bradley. Welcome, Bradley. Since Yannick is the perfect price is around the resistance, the $3.39. We clear it, guys. This is the support right now. And hi, Rebaz. How did you hunt for the last price for the stock that we talked about last live streaming? Okay, Paul, you were wondering. So this kind of plays is our outside our control, you know, like the news and what's gonna happen. Of course, we're gonna see a surge in momentum, but be careful with those kind of news. Okay, always take a profit when we see a bit of jump. Take your profit to be ready to buy around the support. And we have a question from Jazz about Sufi. We covered Sufi like last I don't know, like last week, I think. Yeah, for Sufi, yeah, for Sufi we have a gap, so this is a bit of yeah, a bit of here the gap that we did, we still never actually fill it, so we have a massive selling pressure here. This is the resistance, so if we don't clear the 1465 like by Monday, because we're gonna see a test and double top here, we're gonna see the 12, guys, 12.99 or the 13 to be precise. This is the next support if we don't clear this level, okay? This is for Sophie. The 13.17, this is where we hit it if we never clear this 1465. Simple as that. What we got here? Yep, nice Ribas, nice hunting. You have any stock to hunt like by the next week? We might actually get lucky next time again, because you have like I don't know, like Irish luck. Yeah, for naked, this is will be a really nice for naked, because right now, yeah, for naked, I think right now, as we said, the price is holding above this the 55. So any price right now you buy is really nice for naked, you know, because we have a buying pressure here, a really big buying pressure from this candle. Today, if we close above the 0.55, really nice, because by Monday we gonna see a test again for the 0.58, and after we clear this we have the 0.61. So this will be like next target for naked. If we hold here, we're gonna see the 0.61 really soon. So let me calculate this. Yeah, 12% by the next Monday. We might see a gap again by Monday. So hopefully we close above the 0.55 right now. Yeah, you're concerned about Neuro. We covered Neuro like before, but I will see it right now where is going. Yeah, you should be concerned, of course, because we went below the charging point, as I said here, between the 12 and 17. We went down. So for this one, I expect the price actually going to the $6. Yeah, yeah, this is the support. A really big way down for this one. Let me check again. We might see a bit of buying pressure around the $8 before the 6. Yeah, around the $8.50, $8, we're gonna see a buying pressure here. Midway price, the midway price, the best price, the most significant price level is the $6.47. The midway price is $8.50. This is where we're gonna see a buying pressure happening again. Joe's calling, and we have yeah, for who's actually holding AMC and never sell. Who's holding AMC? Come out, come out. Let me check something. Okay, I have to change something. Okay, what we got here? Okay, guys. So for the hunting, let me check my screener here for the stock that gonna pop really soon. So let me do this. Okay, let me kick this out in 1 million. Price target, let's say 20. And technical, we have a 16 kind of. Okay, so for the technical, okay, let me check those one. We have 16 stocks, and let's kick the chart out and let's see which stock we could have a potential for Monday, and for a next a big thing gonna happen. So this one look a bit of interesting. Yeah, but is a bit dying. Market cap is around 6 million, and what's the average volume? Yeah, around the 600k. So yeah, the volume is a bit down. This one kind of is being squeezed a bit. Yeah, for this one is filling the gap and holding above the 0.85. Right now we cleared the $1. So for this one is kind of is good. This one is kind of good. Yeah, ADBM. Let me check the second. I go usually like once every each Friday. I will try to do it like daily, eventually. Hi, Rorit. Hope you're doing good. And AMC. No, we did AMC. We're gonna do it again. Doing good, Kui. Okay. I will cover AMC because we got a lot of requests right now. So guys, look with me for AMC. AMC, where's AMC? Opla. AMD. Okay, let me write it down. Okay, for AMC, guys, look. We got rejected around the $1.40, not $1.40, but around the 38.83, around the 40. I said the 40 is the next level of resistance, and until now we still doing like lower lows. And again, we have this kind of support around the 32, 35. This is the last support. Okay. So by Monday, right now we have a 34 again. So by Monday, if we don't hold the 32, again would be a big warning sign for me. The 31 would be a big sign of weakness, and we're gonna see the 25 this time. Okay. And look what's the reaction here. We have the W shape, but we didn't clear the 40. Here would be a really breakout. But we didn't do this shape, but we did this, and boom. So this will be a clear. If by today or Monday, because today is over, the test as this, wait a second, let me do the 4 hours. Yeah, this is more clear. Yes, now I see a bit of sign of weakness. We have the doji star here, okay. And we have the 3 candle close below our exponential average after this big sell-off. Okay, so by Monday we need to clear this. because now this is the resistance, not the 36.42, but now the resistance around the 34.80. So by Monday, if we don't clear it, simple as that, if we don't clear this one, we're gonna see a test here again around the 34, even not the 35. We're gonna see a test for the 32, and any price go up below the 32 and close here, sign of indication of weakness, and this time we're gonna see the 25. Okay, hi Jonathan, I didn't see FTFT and G on O. Oh, check it out. I'm gonna check it out right now then. Okay, let's see what's going on for Monday, guys. Let's see what's going on. Okay, let's see what's going on for FTFT. Who's ready to hunt, guys? Boom, let's see what's going on with FTFT. Okay, for this one is like a massive sell-off, guys. Oh, this one is, we got even, like, look what's going on. Here, and here. Massive downtrend, okay? Not once, we doing like higher lows each time. Okay, this is a not even good sign. So this time, I think this time we're gonna break the support after this massive price level actually changing. So even for this one, you see, boom, and this time we will be going here, okay, around the $1.62 for this one. I don't like this kind of scenario, okay, because the good sign of strength if we test the $3.90, but this time we didn't even test it. We got rejected even below. Right now we're heading around the support. If we don't hold this, as I said, we're gonna see the price around the $1.60 for this one. Simple as that. Okay, what we got here? Hello April, hola. April, she demanded riot. Of course. Guys, blast the like button and the way in, and let's get ready to hunt for Monday. Here at our channel, we just hunt for exact price value, guys. We don't joke around. We just go straight and hunt, okay? So let's take Riot and see where the price action for Riot. Voila. Let's see what's going on. Okay, for this one, I can look with me, guys. We have double top for this one. Boom, okay? But this time, we didn't do lower lows. Perfect, you see? So this one is looking really nice. You see? Find the support here around the 25. Go up around the 40, rejected. But this time we have a buying pressure. And this time we have the 52. Okay, for this one will be really nice for Riot if by today or tomorrow or Monday hold up, because right now we break the resistance, guys. The 34 we broke it, and guess what, we have a candle closing above, and right now we try to like a bit of rejection here, 3 candles, and guess what, we hold above it. Perfect, guys. We need to hold right now. If we close above, we're gonna see this time by Monday again a test for this level, or the next week test again for the 40, and this time we're gonna break the 40, guys. This time we're gonna break the 40 if we hold above the 34 and we make it the bottom. This will be a really nice reaction. And just the BFE What else we have here? Okay. No problem, Bradley. BFE. Okay, let's get right to it, guys. Okay. What we got here? Oh, this one. Okay, this one is actually exploding since a lot of, like, since 13th of July. Okay, this is really nice. Let me take the big picture again. Okay, this is the massive support here. Perfect. Okay, for this one. Pom. Let me take this again. Okay, we have a bit of rejection around this area. A big candle. This candle I don't like. Okay, we have a big candle, like a shooting star happening on the top of our uptrend. So this is kind of signaling of reversal of trend or downtrending from now. So be careful from this one if we never go above the 50, okay? This is will massive test around the 51. So now I will be extra careful by next week if we never go above the 50 even, okay? I need a closing candle above the 50 to confirm that we still uptrending around the 50-50. Okay, make it simple, 50-50. Okay, we need a 50-50 candle close above in order to tell you we're not downtrending, because if we never have a candle above the 50-50, it means this is a reversal and the price will go first around the support, the 45. This is the midway support. The most strongest support will be the 43. This will be the perfect buying pressure will happen and hold up like 90% like chance we're gonna see a big buying pressure here. But the midway support will be a 45. This means is the uptrend is still holding, and this is just like what's called just charging up, you know. Since we did Syncionic, CRSR, yes guys, press the like button and let's get ready to hunt. Wake up, people, wake up. People like a weekend, people actually get drunk and have parties, and we are hunting for the next week. That's what's up. Okay, for this one, we talked about it last live streaming. We said, guys, the warning sign when we broke this level. When we broke this level is we starting downtrending, because before we were uptrending, then boom. That's why you have to have a warning sign. That's why you should have a warning sign, guys. You see, simple plan, simple. And if we get below it, is we downtrending. And even after this big buying pressure, this one, a big sell-off. Okay, because we went until our rejection area. So if you don't take a profit, guys, you miss this profit. If you just hold, you miss all this profit. That's why we have a technical area. You see, 43, take your profit, load when the price go below. And again, for this one, I see it go as low as, because now we broke the resistance or the support around 28 and tested it and got below again. So for this one, I expect a big buying pressure happening around the 22. Simple as that. The 22 will be the next support for this one. And let's go to Senseonic very quick. Yeah, Senseonic is actually confirm our explosion, and we hold above the resistance, the $3.38. We heading toward the $3.82, and there's a bit of rejection around, or hold up around the $3.60. So be careful from those level. And $3.80 will be the sign of what? Yes, you guessed it. To complete the W shape and palm. Bradley. Okay, wish, skill. Yes, thank you, Bradley, thanks. Subscribe, like, enjoy the Hunter tribe, guys. And yeah, April ask about UAA again. What we have here. Good evening, my brother Enol. Welcome. Okay, Goku, we'll cover Sandal in a bit. Tai, skills, of course, skill. We're gonna go after it. Jazz, wish, we're gonna go after it as well. Okay, let's take first April. She asked about UAA. So this one is new. Where did you find this one, April? And we covered this before, I think. So this one we hit with double support, guys. Boom. Around the 25. We're heading toward the support again around the 21.90. So this is the perfect price. Always the price come here, we should charge, okay? This will be a charging point, midway price. And right now we might get rejected before we go to 21.92 around this area, guys, around the 24, okay? Because we have a massive rejection area, 24, then we're gonna go the 21.90 or the 22 before we see another charge up. This is really important level, the 21 for Under Armour. This is the armor, and this is the most important level. Even if we got below it, we're gonna see the price go above it again. This is the midway price, the technical price level for armor. And what we have here again, yeah, sandal for Goku. Okay, for sandal, guys, look, we heading toward the support as we predicted the first time we talked about it last time. I said, guys, the most important level that we should hold in order to never go to this support, and we didn't. So that's why we heading toward this support, the 0.66, really important level, guys. We need to have a bounce from it. Next week we're gonna see a test for 0.66 and expect the price go again up and at least until the 0.74 or 73. Okay, will be like a high probability trade if we visited the 0.66. And what we have here, we have wish. Okay, let's take scale first. Okay, guys. How's the stock market for you guys today? I think it was better than beginning of this week. It was crazy. It was pretty red. Okay, skill. I'm just wondering how many stocks actually there, you know? Like not in the Nasdaq and SB 500 and I mean like in penny stock, all the stocks, you know? I'm just wondering how many stocks are there. And I think I'm gonna Google it right now. How much stocks in the US? How many? Not how much. The number of company publish trade off up. I'm really wondering how much actually. Around 8,000 in the one in 1990s. 3,000 today and close to 6,000 company trade on the Nasdaq. Reached roughly to 2000 in 2020 is 11,500. The number of security that trade on OTC market, alternative trading system for security that don't trade on the exchange, reached roughly 11,500 in 2020, more double the total from 10 years ago. Oh, damn. Guys, I thought we have a goal that we should cover all the stocks. So we have almost 12,000 stocks just in the US. Just in US. This is crazy number. Anyway, anyway, this was random, but I always have curiosity about this kind of questions. Okay. Let's take this one, skills. Okay, for this one again, for this one still finding the bottom, guys, because we broke the support here. You see, we did the gap last time that we visited this support and around the $12.77. So for this one, I will be clear off from it, okay? Because we still have bad earnings and last earning is 125% down and we didn't respect the support. We gapped. We don't have a support. We have a candle with the wick testing our exponential average. It's so bearish, okay? I will be interested to get in around the 12.77. Above it, I will be interested. Okay, let's take Wish. Yeah, Bradley, we have to cover 11,000 stock. Yeah, this is madness. But if you do the math, is actually doable, you know? Because we have 365 days in a year, and if we cover, let's say, 5 stocks per day, this is take us around, okay, 5 multiplied by 300 will be almost like, for in 1 year we can cover like almost 2,000 stocks. So by 1 year 2,000 stocks, so we want almost 5 years, okay? And they said that stocks actually double each 10 years. So each 5 years we can cover 11 stocks. However, like the stocks will be increasing at least 50% in this time. So we couldn't cover all of them. So we have to do at least 7.5 stock each day to cover the time, like the increase percentage, like time lag between it. Okay. Let's talk about Wish right now. And for Wish, again, we have kind of we have yeah. As I said, guys, Wish, I said don't touch it right now because we broke the support around the $7.64 and we have a gap here, okay? And we talked about it last time. We didn't hold the ascending line here. So I told you guys to never get in until we have a confirmation above the $7.64 in order to confirm that there is a volume beacon up. However, right now we don't have even support. So be careful from this one. Thank you, Bradley. I really like numbers. You know, like last time I started reading really interesting books about the history about for numbers. It's called like Alice in Wonderland. No, Alice in Number Wonderland or something like this. It's a really interesting book about numbers. Anyway, so we have mRNA. We have, wait a second, we have a lot of, yeah, Ty said OBCF please. We're gonna cover this. Okay, boom. Okay, for this one is a bit interesting because we have something going on here. Okay, we have a bit of support. This one is really interesting because we have a bit of support around the $2.46 and we already test. You see, we have a big test around the $3.41, a massive rejection. So this is will tell us that we have this buying pressure, high price, then the price went down again. So now we're not ready to jump to $3.41 because we have a lot of sellers here. So what's going on? If we hold this support, guys, and pick up again the momentum to test this level, but this time we need to have a rejection around the 3. This will be healthy. Any price go up like this, shooting like straight, reasonably we have a short position and a lot of short sellers will trigger like the radar for the short sellers and the price will go down. So the next time if I see the price go until the $3 and rejected and we see a consolidation, is mean a really healthy price going up, and this time we're gonna see even the $5. So right now we need to hold above the $2.46 in order to see the $3.40 and $5 again. If we go below, I'll be extra careful because we're gonna go around the $2. Simple as that. And we take a lot of time to have explosion again. So it will take us a bit of momentum. Okay. FLGC. Yeah, for this one, Flora, it was really interesting because we saw like the price sell-off after we saw the 20, as I said, for April to take a profit around the 20. However, we don't hold the support here around the 14. That's why we dipped. We found support around this level, around the $9.60. That's why we see a buying pressure. So right now we'll be extra careful around the 14. If we got rejected here, we confirm that we're still downtrending, and this time we might even go to $5.85. So be careful. For this one, to hold above the 14 will be perfect. If we got rejected, be careful, because if the perfect scenario would be this one. Get rejected, but consolidate here in this area. And this area will be the loading phase. Okay? We not have a rejection and go below. Even around the $8.50 is a sell-off, and we're gonna see the $5 soon. So expect a big rejection around the $14. A big massive test right now gonna happen for the next week, not today, guys. Next week we're gonna see a massive test around the 14. Any price close above will be perfect. Okay. Any price rejected, it means we're gonna see a price charge up here again. This is still will be good if we just start charging up here. Because realistically, guys, we've been bumping up since the $3, okay, until the 20 in just matter of days. This is the stock need a breather, need a bit of healthier correction, you know. Yeah, AMC always green when everything is going red, and is red when everything is green. It's like AMC sucking all the money from all the stocks, you know, it's like vampire. Jay, we already cover Wish in the beginning. ADX, yeah, we didn't cover it. Clifton, welcome hunters, welcome. Of course, hunters come first. But you're a bit late, Clifton, today. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go, ready to hunt. We're preparing for the war for Monday. Okay. Type your stock that you'll be ready hunt for Monday, so we check if we already cover it or not. So ADX, guys, look what's going on with the ADX. Okay, I'm just telling you the truth. Okay, for the ADX, we have two major levels for ADX. First, this major uptrending level or ascending line, we broke it, guys. Unfortunately, we broke it. That's why I told you, even live streaming, we heading toward this ascending line. Okay, this ascending line, we're gonna see a big buying pressure when we visit this one. We have to have a test, and the test will be around around the $1.80. Okay, $1.80. We're gonna see a massive test here and buying pressure, and again the $2.40 will be the resistance that will hold us a bit before we actually go and test the ascending line from below around the $2.90. So we have two resistance level, $2.40, $2.90, and $1.80, the bouncing ball for us and charging for the fuel for the rocket. Okay. What you mean, Goku, about iChart tanks? iChart. I don't know what you mean about iChart. Is that a name of a stock? And Double A01 ask about HUT. Okay, for this one we cover it like in the live streaming, but we gonna see it again just to confirm. Okay, for this one is really interesting as well. We have a bit of slowing in momentum, a bit. We saw a bit buying pressure around the $5.57. Perfect, nice. As we said in the last free live streaming, guys, We have a bit of rejection around the 7. However, this is really good. You see, we have a bit of test, rejection, then going up, then the explosion. You see, this is really nice. However, after we get rejected here, we saw a buying pressure around the support. Perfect. So right now we're gonna test and do double top, simple as that, around this area here around the $7. Massive test for Monday. And if we clear it, I'm gonna take my profit around the $9 or $9.50 before the 10. Here will be a nice buying taking profit target for the next week for this one if we clear the $7. The support we have to hold is the $5.57. Okay, what we got here? Okay, this one. Short. I short. This one, I don't know if this one. I don't know. Can you confirm, Goku, is that one you actually ask about? Okay, coin. Let's see, coin. Okay, for coin, kind of, okay, this is really nice because we found support around the $2.38. Really nice support here. Right now we have another support around the $2.53. So by Monday we need to hold this level. Simple as that. This is the most important level for coin in order to see the price go to $3.07 this time. Okay, the $2.53 hold up above, closing candle above, perfect confirmation, then go to 300 again or the $2.90 to do double top. Just ice. Yes, this one. Wait a second. This is really interesting because right now we're filling a bit the gap around this level. So we have a bit of resistance right now. We're gonna see a test, really massive test around the $4, and the support will be around this technical area around the $2.37, really far a bit. But however, I'm gonna see that test for a bit before, yeah, around the $3. Right now $3.45, we saw the $3.33. And we're gonna see a buying pressure here if we got a rejection next week around the $4 again. So the $4 would be a massive test and change of momentum. Okay, if we got rejected here, simple, we're gonna see a test here and find the support around the $3 for this one. Wait a second. Yes, Goku. However, I think the price, the clear price is around the $4, or just wait to buy around the $3 would be even better. Right now we have an hour. Yes, 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 yes. Oh man. What we have here. Yeah, let me do this. Let me check some stock, guys, for Monday, because I'm always hunting for kind of stock. It will be interesting to see a massive jump really next Monday. And for this, no. I have just one glance, guys. Like, I don't know, like a kind of one look from the chart and see if it's good or not, because we need a target level for any stock. For this big sell-off, what's happened for this one? This is like really crazy. Almost the half the price. Yeah, it's healthcare, of course. So this kind of stocks have a high potential for like product or something. Then when they release it, doesn't have the expectation of the investors, and that's why we see a sell-off half the price. So that's why we'll be extra careful from the news and things like this, especially from the pharmaceutical stocks, you know, because it's dependent on the fundamental more. Okay. Okay. What we should look for? Okay, this one is like really strong. Okay, of course, because it's a real estate, 3 billion market cap, and we have let's see the depth. Yeah, they have a bit of depth, and let me guess. Yeah, we have a bit of support around the 13, the major level of resistance around the 15, but this one is, I think, is gonna go up again really soon. Okay, let me do a technical and change something. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. We have just no, this one sold off. Yeah, this one is really interesting. Okay. ORCC. Let's check this one. First off, let's check the volume. Okay, the volume not bad. Average volume is 1 million. And we have like potential for breakout around the 15. Yes, it's gonna happen really soon. Really interesting for this one. I'm really interested in this one. Okay, we have the 15 kind of potential target, and it's been squeezing since the last year. Okay. Wow, this one has been squeezed for years, guys. Look, perfect, guys. I think we found a good one here. Yes, perfect. This one is perfect. Pom, and ready to explode. This one, really ready to explode. Okay, I will put it in my watch list. This one, double top around the 1484. We found almost each time buying pressure around this ascending line, perfect, and we tested here around the 14. So the 14 is really important level for this stock, and any price above the 1484 we're gonna see the 15 and at least the 19 for this one. Raw lunch meat. I like your name. So AQST is going to $30 by December. So what what make you say that? Do you have the data to support that, or you just saying? For me, I'll just take it for the technical and see if you're saying I'm just interesting of clearing things out. Okay, let me check this one. I think we cover it. Yes, around the $3, but I don't know, for this one is take a lot of time to actually go even to the $8, okay? So for this one, I would be extra careful because we have a bit of resistance around the $3.99. And yes, we still have double support here around the $3.12. So between the $3.12, $3.99, really important level. And we have this shape, it's W shape forming. Hopefully we see a big squeeze happening. For this one, if I see the price jump until the $6.65, I'll take my profit. Okay? Because it's still heavily shorted, guys, for this one. So yeah, there's a volume picking up, a support forming above the $3, a resistance really like close around the $3.99. Yeah, it's pretty good indications. However, I will take my profit around the $6 and wait for another jump down and then a confirmation above the $8.24. Okay. Hello, professional. Welcome. We have a FDA approval around Monday for Kara. Thank you, Freddy. Let me check this out right now. Right now, before we forget, we have FDA catalyst here. Let's check it out, guys. Okay, for this one, big massive jump down. I don't know if we gonna see a price jump after this gap, so I will be extra careful, just extra careful, like 100% extra careful if we pass this level. Okay, the 12.19. Just run, okay? Next time if we saw the price go below the 12.19, just run. And again, here for this one, the sign of explosion by Monday, a test for the 16. The 16 is the massive test area. After the 16, all hell break loose for this one. And I will take my profit around the 23. Okay, so 2 target price for this one. However, the 12.19, the most important level to get out. Hi, Billy. Okay, let's get ready to hunt again. We found the one stock, and now this one. Let's find another stock, guys. Which one we should hunt? We have this one, no, this one, no. Okay, me change some things here. Okay, from the 20 we'll make it 40, and let me make it 750k current volume. How many we have? We have 3. Okay, that's good. So let's check things out. Okay, this one's a bit far, this one is a bit far, not good. This one have a sell-off. This one look nice. BRARX, the price around the 22 right now, and they are real estate. They have a bit of debt, 6 billion market cap. Okay, price earning per price is positive. What else we have? Okay, they have 480 employee, and sales. They already have generate sales, so almost 1 billion. Income 100, almost 200 million. Okay, nice. So let's take this one and check what's going on. BRX. Okay. BRX. Guys, this one actually performing. Let me take the 1 hour chart. So since the last sell-off for the market last year around March, we have a really nice trend, guys. Uptrending, and doing higher lows, and this time we broke this resistance right now around the 22, and right now we testing it. Okay, so this one is really interesting. If we hold above this level, I will be extra interested if the price just went until 25, because we went until the 24. So I'll be extra careful with this one. We have really nice earning last August, 2nd of August. So yes, this one, even we saw a really nice buying pressure here after we got below. So yeah, for this one I will be extra interested if we hold above this resistance, the 22. Today we close around the 22.50. So by Monday or the next week we're gonna see the 25 if we just hold this level. Okay, we got another one. And MMAT for April. Go to Monday squeeze. Yeah, everything gonna squeeze Monday. Freddy, RGC went 200% today. Crazy. We're gonna check it out right now. After this. Okay, let me take this one and take RGC. RGC. And let's take Lkco, because we saw something happening. Let me check Lkco, guys. Yes, we went to $1.20 and we see a buying pressure. You see, guys, this is just a test, guys, because still doing lower lows for Lkco. We test the $1.20. We're really near the $1.15. And look, the the buying pressure is like starting like a like interest for the market maker. We have a lot of green candle right now forming, and this is kind of nice. Okay, so this is kind of nice to see for Lkco. So I predict that the price will have like a massive test. Is still $1.39, still massive test. So like let me clear this. Yes, still we have a buying pressure. However, we did the double bottom because we tested before the $1 here around the 16th of August, and today the $1.28. I think, yeah, the $1.28, not the 21. Yes. So still we doing higher lows, guys. You see, we still doing higher lows. So I will be extra careful from this resistance and the double bottom here. By Monday or the next week, if we don't hold this one, $1, like $1.15. RGC, guys, look what's going on. This crazy 200% today. Both markets went down a bit around the 18. It was like dead here, you see? The price is like, boom, is dead. There's no any interest. So if we just try to look it up here. Okay. Yeah, we have some news here. Okay, early stage bioscience company that focuses on research, development, and commercialization in traditional Chinese medicine. Okay, what we have here. Okay, July. So it was trading on the Nasdaq on July 16 under the ticker symbol this. So they actually went public really at the just at the July 16, just 3 days ago or beginning of this week. And they have like they treat ADHD and autism, and today announced that today that announced underwriter of its initial public offering. The offering have exercised its options to purchase almost 300k additional ordinary shares at the public offering price of $9 per share to cover over. So that's why we see the surge in price level around the $9. So that's why we see a big interest for this stock. And let me check again something. I will be extra careful from this one because right now we see a bit of the price level is around the $9 because it's the price, the public offering for the share, and the price actually grew almost the double right now. The double is just one day. So I'll be extra careful from this one because really volatile, and I think it's started forming some kind of support around this area around the 17 because it's psychological level, guys. Is like the price, the midway price, or like the double price from the public offering share. So this is kind of technical level around the 17 and 18. If we hold up, we're gonna see again test for the 25. Ismail, I think we covered naked before. But let me just check. Okay, for naked is good, guys, because we have the jump and we have a bit of sell-off. However, we saw a buying pressure with this wick, and now we close above around the 0.55. This is nice. Right now, by Monday, we need to hold open the market above the 0.55. We make it our support. Then test the massive important level, the 0.57. If we clear it, the 0.61 is the massive rejection area, and the big sell-off will happen again here. Tom, about Lkco going to $1.10, 15 cents. This is like Lkco is really high volatile. So if we go to the $1.10, you know what's gonna happen? The price will jump really crazy because it's discount, and the price will jump. It's like will never stay like for 1 hour. Okay, it's just few minutes. So between the $1.10 and 15 will be really volatile. We're gonna see a big wick. Okay. No, April is not too late because we're still holding above the 0.55. The 0.55 now is support, okay? No problem, Tom. We have, what else? Okay, double A01 GRNQ. Let me check this one. Oh la la, this one is crazy. What's happened with this one? GRNQ. That's GRNQ. Let's see what's going on with this one. We don't have any news. Greenboro Capital Corporation around the 0.70, 16% up. Okay, for this one, guys, when you see like a buying pressure happening, then a big sell-off in the same day, it's mean like is kind of have a news, but the news just was just people just sell the news, you know. So it was kind of bumped dumped at the same time, and again we have a lot of back holders that bought around this area, okay, back around the marsh. A lot of people back holders buy around this area. So the most buying triggered our selling pressure when we visited the $1.50 psychological level. A lot of people actually sell here because just cut their loss, and some people actually swing trader take a profit and short sellers. So this is trigger a lot of selling pressure. So for this one, I will put my notification around $1.56. The next time if we visit it and clear it, this is will take us at least around the $3 or $2.70. Okay, if we clear the $1.56 the next time. And here we have the last support for this one. If we don't hold this support, we're gonna see at least the 0.35 after this massive sell-off. Okay, so we think like if we don't hold the 0.65, we're gonna see the 0.35, like half the price. Because this is really worrying when I see a big red candle like this after the test, the $1.56. Yeah, 10,000 moon stocks. This is really good name for them, you know, moon stocks. Yeah, it's like looking for a unicorn, you know, unicorn. Paul is like looking for a unicorn. And it's kind of addicting. So if you just like got in one stock who have like 10,000% up, this is make you really frustrated because you want to find the next explosive stocks, and this is give you the big circle of like wishful thinking and jumping. If any stock will jump like 10%, 20% or 50%, and you almost every time you get cut. So this is not good, Paul, if you think about the 10,000 moon stocks. No problem, Tom. Okay, what we have here. Okay, let's get back to our hunt for those stocks. What we have? We have three, just three, yes. So which stock we should hunt, guys? We have this one as well, really interesting. So around the 20 Chem. Yeah, it is real estate as well. And usually, guys, the stock that traded between the $1 and 10 have more explosive and squeeze potential, you know. Okay, this one look really interesting as well, around the 12, but we cover it as well. And what we have, Orban. I think this one. Okay, 9 billion. We have no debt. This is really nice to see for any stock. Have no debt. Have sales almost 3 billion. The market cap is 3 billion. So they have more sales than the market cap. This is really nice. Income is almost 200. Okay, this is one have a bit of interest to me. Urban. Okay, the average volume is almost 2 billion. It's good. So this one have my interest because we have a charging box here, guys. Nice. After this explosion, and we hold above this support the $3.85, and after breaking the resistance, the $3.85, we have a charging box above. So for this one, I expect the price next level, we're gonna see explosion at least around the 48, really happening soon, or even the 50. So yeah, now we're around the 37. So I expect the price to go to 48 or the 50 for this one. So we have Urban, we have RGC, no, not RGC, the things that, this one, and yeah, this one I hunted right now. Yeah, this one and this one, there's another one. BRX. Yeah, BRX. Yeah, those three. Mm-hmm. Astra Space. You know, never listen to Twitter bumper, you know? When you go to Twitter, there's a lot of people who pump stocks, you know? So be careful when you see a lot of people tell you this going to the moon. Always question. Always question. Never just listen and follow. Always question everything. So let me check it for you. Yeah, it's been dipping since a lot time. We doing like higher lows for a lot of time, guys, for this one. I don't like it. We still doing higher lows. Boom. We broke the support around look with me. Yeah, we kind of bumped here around the 18th of August. So we have a bit of potential squeeze right now happening. However, after this jump and the rejection around the 12th, I'll be extra careful. You know why? Now the price is in midway. So the price by Monday, if we have the price close above at least above the 10, okay? We have squeeze again for this price for the 12th, and the next price I will take my profit around the 14. So I will be extra careful by Monday for this one. If we close above the 10, we're gonna see a surge in buying pressure. And if we just hold above the $9.40 and seeing the 10, nice indication for the price. This time not the 12, we're gonna see the 14.55. Okay, what we have here? Yes, Billy Orf. Okay, sorry I didn't cover it because we got a lot of requests. What's happened? I don't know. Okay. This one have the same reaction of Astra, you see? We broke the resistance, then we go below again. The same reaction as for ORF. The same reaction. Okay. We broke, we found a big buying pressure. We test the resistance around the $6.67. Now we close below the support. So this is kind of I don't like, you know. When we test the massive test above the resistance, what I want to have is holding above the support. This would be perfect. We kind of hold in the next candle here, the red candle, we hold. That's why we see a buying pressure and take us above. Then we didn't hold and we close below. Right now we closing below the support. So this is a bit worrying to me, because this is we might have the price go gravitate even lower and find the support around the $3. So be careful on this one. By Monday, if we confirm this and we have a test, okay, for this resistance around the $5.12, $5.20, if we got rejected by Monday, we'll confirm our hypothesis is mean we're gonna see the price go even lower. So okay. Do the like button, guys, on the way in, and let's get ready hunting for Monday. Okay, April. How many stocks you hunting, April? This is crazy. Like almost 50 stocks. And keep hearing. Okay, what else we have? Monday squeeze. Mercy. Okay. Let's check April. Okay, for this one, we cover it, I think, lately. Yeah, for this one is clear is going around the 11, guys. So the most important level for this one is around this ascending line. So will be perfect if we by Monday we hold this around the 1277. If not, we're gonna see like going until the 10, around the $10.90. You see, this is a really major ascending line. We ought to test really soon if we don't hold the 1282 by next week. Simple as that. And the resistance is around the 1490. Louise, welcome Louise. Of course, we're gonna take Dodge right now. Dodge. Yes, Dodge. Okay, guys, Dodge is going good. Look with me. This is the perfect scenario. As I said, the 35 was the resistance. Price went down. We said the 28 is perfect buying pressure. And guess what? boom, we have a buying pressure. Right now the support is holding around the 0.29 precisely, the strong support. However, the perfect scenario if we hold above this level, our exponential average here will be perfect. This is perfect price to bounce from and never close below it. Okay, so will be a perfect scenario. And again, if we hold this level, will be really easy for us to break this massive resistance around the 35, because right now we might do double top, so be careful from the 35. There's a massive test around the 35 because now we see a bit of struggle and a lot of wick of candles. Look, a lot of wicks for the candles happening right now and slowing in momentum. So be careful from this scenario. Okay, yeah, there's a slowing momentum. So if we don't hold this level, will be a worrying sign because we doing higher lows here and here. So next time we need to price go at least the 35 to confirm, at least have a test for the 35, because guys, when we do higher highs, okay, we gotta sell off. The next time, if we don't reach the higher point that we did before, is mean the price will go down and break even the support. Okay, so this time we want to test the 35 high potential, again a test. We might get rejected and do double top, and we don't see the 43 again. The sign of good sign that we're gonna see a break from the 35 if we hold here above this exponential average or around the 31.35. Hold up above the 31.35 will give us a bit of sign of relief and at least accumulation of a price before we explode. Hopefully that was informative, Louise. Okay, what we got here? Clifton, CYRN. Okay, this one I really don't like, guys. This one I don't really like at all. First, we have the average volume is below the 500,000. We have even the performance is even in 1 year is 58 in negative. Is meaning we downtrending. We broke the support, kind of, not even strong support, around the 0.62, and we don't have any support right now. And we have a massive test around the resistance is getting lower each time. Before it was $1.34, now the 86. So I will never touch this until we have another test around the 0.86 and clear it at least and hold above it and confirm the support before I get in again. Yes, Luis. Yes. Just in case, because the 35 will be a massive test and rejection area again, we might do a double top before see the 0.43. If we clear it and we have a hold up above the 0.35, will be a really good price to get in again. However, there's a big potential that we're gonna see a double top. Okay, professional, we didn't answer your question before. No problem, Clifton. We covered FLGC and naked already. We already did it. After the live streaming, you can actually watch the video, the live streaming. I will upload it, so don't worry. It's being recorded. No problem, Louise. However, Louise, just be extra careful around the 31, as I said, the 31, 32 something. Hussein, we already talked about naked. You can actually go back and check the video, okay? Okay, guys, wait a second for Sense Aftermarket. Yeah, Sense went until the $3.48, close after hours right now $3.43. Still good, guys, because the resistance or the support around the $3.40. So we kind of above and we're still holding. Bless the like button, guys, on the way in. Bless the like button to kick the algorithm butt. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Nokia, please. Okay, what else we have? Please. BPMCB. Luis. Okay, Luis. Boom. Whoa, what's going on with this one? So, okay, we have earning coming up next week. Yeah, we covered this one, guys. We covered this one. Yeah, this one we have, as I said, pre-split 1 to 1,500 in order to get listed on the NASDAQ. They did here around the 18th of August after they did massive sell-off. As I warned you guys, don't buy unless we hold above the $6. We didn't hold, we gapped. However, right now we close above this support, so there's kind of support. By Monday, will be extra careful because right now we still doing higher lows here. Perfect. Okay, so let me draw this. We kind of have this triangle forming. Okay, so we kind of have this triangle forming right now. So we need to hold this triangle and hold above this $3.37 in order to test first the $4.30. After that, we're gonna see explosion until the $5.50. Okay, $5.50, really important level, guys. Really important level for PMCB. Hold up above the $3.37, test for the $4.39, taking profit. First taking profit, second taking profit is $5.50. What else we have? Naked, we already covered, guys. GME Goku, of course. GME actually still holding, kind of. Still holding, and there's no interest, still like around the 150. as we predicted, guys, because after we broke this level of ascending line, I told you guys we're gonna see the price level or interest will happen around the $1.37. We went until the $1.45 before we see a buying pressure. However, we see like a rejection for the price here and here, look, and we see a buying pressure. However, the rejection right now, the resistance level is lowered around the $1.67. So by Monday, if we don't go over the $1.68, we're gonna see the $1.35 pretty soon. So be careful, we're still downtrending for GME. And the price for reversal for this one, let me check. Let me clear this out for you guys for GME. Because for GME, if we want to go up, let me do this. Yeah, for GME, there's a really volume picking up. For GME, there's a volume picking up. We have earning coming up again, but the earning never do anything for GME. You know, it's always a meme stock. It doesn't react about the fundamental. For this one, guys, I will be extra careful about this, the midway resistance. Right now, we have a bit of resistance around this technical area. Boom, around the $1.67. Yes, so by Monday, guys, by Monday we need to test above the $1.70 in order to confirm that we're gonna see explosion and doing double top around the $1.95 or around the 200. This is the psychological level, the $1.95. We might do a double top really soon by Monday if we like get over the $1.67 really soon. Yes, Louise. And ENVB. What we got here, we already covered this one. You see, we're still in this channel, downtrending channel. Okay, we have a massive test around the $2.35. And for this one, as I said, guys, I will never get close to it anytime soon. Okay, I will never get close to it anytime soon for this one because we're still below the resistance, the $1.83, and we didn't find any support right now. So this one is really risky. And after we saw buying pressure, we got a bit of sell-off around the resistance here, the $2.30. So this one is a bit risky, okay? I will be extra careful about it. And I don't like the chart for this one. And Freddy. Went up this time at 19. Could you check again on this stock? Okay, Luis. Yes, today we have a bit of test for the gap, you see, and yeah, today we have a really good test here around the 19 and we got rejected. So we have a really massive gap we did after the jump. So now it is just a test. And this is actually confirmed that there is still a lot of sellers and the candle confirm it before we close. So this one is still testing this area above the 21 and the 20. So for this one, I will be extra careful because you can protect yourself for this one. If you bought like before the market close, you risk the gap up or down. So the gap up will be good for you, but the gap down will be a bit risky because we still overextended and near the resistant area and the testing area. And the support for this one is still not forming, guys. So it's still not forming for this one. The support is really low for this one, is around the $8.28 if we don't hold this midway level above the $12. Yeah, the support is around the 12. Yeah, for this one is around the 12.30. We have to hold this level in order to tell you to recharge and test around the 20 this time, because this is the massive filling the gap. Classic, guys, classic for this one. What we have here? Thank you, Louise. You are amazing. Maybe next time we can eat together like in your restaurant, you know? After the COVID finish. Okay, what we have here? Thanks, Louise. Yes, of course. 9 p.m. as we always do the meeting at Sunday. See you there, guy. Nice weekend, Luis. See you. So what we have here again? Review. Okay, let's see what Freddy asked about just for quick. Yeah, this one we covered as well. Okay, for this one, yeah, we kind of close below our support, guys, so this is a bit worrying. We close below the 12 and we close around the 1190, so this one is a bit worrying. We might even see the 10 by the Monday, because we already cover and tested the 25 like 23rd of July, and again testing for the gap around the 18 to testing level, and we got rejected. Okay, this is indication of massive selling pressure. That's why we didn't hold the support right now. Okay. Okay, what we got here? Nokia. Yeah, Nokia actually, we did the video last time, but today I didn't check Nokia actually. Or knock. Okay, interesting. This is really interesting. We're still holding around our ascending line, guys. As we said, we have a resistance here around the 6. That's why we didn't see a volume picking up, because we have a massive sell-off or resistance around the 6. The good thing is we still holding for the dear life above our ascending line, the last support before we break this uptrending channel since last March. Really important like level. Okay, that's why we're still holding, guys. By Monday we should see a break for this 6. If we don't break it, guys, we're gonna see the $5.65 and even lower, the $5.15. if we just broke from this important level that we still holding right now. Review BVE, BVZ, please. Okay. Night Walker, or I don't know what's your name. Okay, let's check this stock. Aha, this one. Okay, this one we already covered. BVE, where we already covered, guys. This one we already covered. We talked about the support around the 43 and the midweight support around the 45. And again, the resistance around the 50, guys. If we just close above the 50 next week, will be perfect to never end this uptrend. If we don't clear the 50, because right now we're around the 48, and we don't hold above this ascending exponential average, we're gonna see the support hold up around the 45. Let's go, Freddy. Thank you, Freddy. Thank you, Freddy. You are from Canada, Freddy, yes? Where from Canada? The French part or the English part of Canada? Happy to help. Goku around the 8 p.m. I don't know. I'm trying to actually make it like more often, okay? But right now is a bit complicated because I got a lot of things to do and the meeting, preparing the meeting, and focusing about the Patreon, and because I have a lot of load of information overload, you know. So that's why I'm just try to cover it around this area. And about the 8 and the 9, I think even for me right now, I see when I do at 8 p.m., I don't see like a lot of my hunters there, you know, when I do it at 9 and 10, because a lot of hunters could be at live streaming, you know, because the time difference in America. Français, ok. J'ai parlé français aussi. J'ai parlé français, je prends le français depuis 12 ans. Ouais, c'est très difficile pour moi parce que je n'ai pas parlé français après. J'ai parlé arabe, anglais, espagnol, mais français c'est très bizarre, c'est très difficile. Le problème c'est avec la prononciation. Ok, Excel, MAT, ok. Yes, I really like to learn languages. You know, guys, when you learn a language, actually, you open your perspective about tradition and food and even like sentiment. You know, you get more in depth with the society that you are living in. You know, so language is really important. Hi, Nicole. You're really pretty late today, you know? You're pretty late today. Yes, French is not harder than English because English is more often we can listen to English music, movies, everything, you know? There's nothing hard in life, it's always in your mind. If you love something, everything is easy, you know? Okay, let me see what we have here. Okay, Hood. Yes, for Hood, we have a bit really interesting for Hood, guys. Look. Okay, Hood is going to our level, guys. The 39 perfect hunting place. Who's ready to hunt Hood, guys? Who's ready to hunt Hood? Hood is going to our level, guys. 39.90. Yes. We didn't hold, I told you guys we're gonna see the price 39. If we don't hold the support, we get a fake out around the 48. That's why we see a gap. Now the price going down without any wick. So by Monday, we're gonna see the price open even with the gap around the 39 or even the 40. Okay, hold up above the 40. Here we're gonna see a big buying pressure. And thank you. Access maintain is 200. Thank you, appreciate it. Nicole, we didn't cover MAG. We're gonna cover it right now. Yes, Louise, let's hunt Hood next week. Clifton, yeah, we covered Lkco in the beginning. Yes, Bradley. Yes, Bradley. It's matter of time. Goku, okay, this is really good. We're gonna voting. We make okay, guys, we're gonna do a voting for the live streaming time. Okay, I will put the voting at my what's called the channel. My channel. What's called the name of the channel? I don't know. I don't know what's the called. Let me see. Yes, I'm gonna do it right now, actually. On community section, guys, we're gonna do a poll today. So let's do okay, let's see, 7 p.m. Paris. Okay. Okay, let's see, 8, 9, and 10. Let's see who's gonna win. Okay, what's the best live streaming time for you? Which the best? What's the best? I don't know how to phrase this. Okay, I think this is good. I'm gonna post it right now. And now you can actually vote, guys. Okay, so that's what I like. If we have something, we clear it right now. Okay, are we good? You can vote right now as Goku suggests, and you can vote, guys, and tell me what time would be best for you. MAGS for Nicole. Let me try to do this. Okay, let's get right to it and see what's going on with Nicole's stock. Okay, this one, boom. Okay, this one hit a bit of resistance right now around this area. So I will be extra careful around the $5, guys. The $5, around the $5, $6. We have a bit of resistance, and the average volume is 1 million. We've been uptrending right now since April, so this is really nice. If we just take the big picture, okay, this one look really nice. The $7 is the next target. Okay, what else we have? This one is really good, really nice. Wow. Okay, we exploded around this area. Yes, this one really nice. So Nicole, for this one at around the $5.88 this time, we need to have a really explosion happening by Monday around this area, even not this area, and this area, the $6.17 even. This will be a really major test by Monday. Just be careful from this one. Clearing the $6.17, closing candle $7.78, the next target, and beyond, even maybe the $9 if we go above the $7.78 this time. Okay, so this is really looking good, looking good. I will put it on my watch list actually. You have to be in for the aha. What else we have here? You go at my channel, Goku channel here. You can go at my channel, okay? Around the community section for my channel. You can vote whatever the time you want. Okay. Yeah, Bradley. Yeah, Nicole always on the corner. She always have insider thoughts, you know. Yeah, I think Nicole actually working with the hedge funds managers, you know. She has inside news, insider news. Good, Nicole. Good for you. Okay, what we have. Okay, SRBT. Uh-huh. Okay, for this one, let me see. Wow. This one we already tested the 11, almost the 11, around the $8.87. We have a resistance around the 11.35. We have a massive rejection going on. However, the thing that I really like, after the rejection, we didn't see a sell-off to take us below this support, but we got a buying pressure happening above this exponential average. So by Monday we need to hold above the $8, guys. Okay, $8 will be perfect. Yes, $8 will be the midway price to have a price here. Then next time test the 11. After the 11.35, a big massive explosion, guys. A big massive explosion if we just hold above the $8. Yes, above our exponential average, because every time we got buying pressure happening around our exponential average. and never visit again the support around the $6.83. Yeah, as I said, sell off, but this sell off is just consolidation, not a sell off. Sell off, if we get above around the $11, then boom, and get back where we come from around the 4. This is a sell off. But this is one is really consolidate and still have a buying pressure happening. Yeah, it's really nice. No community option. Did you try it from the from the phone or from the laptop? Because on the laptop is like, I think you could do this. Check again. I'm just kidding, Nicole. Yeah, glove is under $8, wish is under 7. Yeah, what's going on? Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, I will check Goku after the live streaming. I will make sure it will be visible for you, all of you, okay? And again, guys, check the Patreon on the link here at the top of the chat if you want pre-market update or review for MaritimeSTOCK. And again, again, Discord channel if you want to discuss the price during the market open. And I will do even like a video about discuss about the strategies that you could make during the stock that jumped or the stock have a sell-off, or the explaining how to have a strategy for shorting, okay? Because after the market went down like it's for months right now, if you short the market, you make millions, you know? So we're gonna discuss this. I'm gonna do a special video and Patreon, guys. We're gonna discuss the shorting and how we make a good strategy about the shorting positions for a lot of stocks if you're interested, okay? Yeah, we covered skills, Nicole. Yes, Discord community, yes. However, April, I'm more active on Patreon. You know, it is really hard to focus on two or more platform, you know? Because usually more I checked like a lot of YouTubers when they have Patreon, they never focus on Patreon. They just channel their members toward Discord. You see, so they actually focus on Discord more than Patreon. And Patreon there is no videos. For me, like as you can see, I always upload like 2 videos in Patreon daily. So this is too much, guys. Him, we didn't cover Nicole. We're gonna cover it right now to see what's going on with the stock you said right now. Not this one. Are you sure is HIM, not HIMX, Nicole? Can you confirm HIM or HIMX? Okay. Perfect. Lkco found it. Exactly. Vote, guys. Vote. Okay, guys, I gotta go. It's getting late here in Paris, you know. And in the meantime, vote for the live streaming, which time will be better for you at the next Friday. And again, join us, guys, on Patreon, where we hunt for exact price value, pre-market, and analysis for your stocks, and even check your portfolio and meeting one-on-one with me. So join us, guys. We're almost 70 hunters right now, and we're going to the 100 hunters. This is really crazy. I never imagined that we're gonna like reach the 100 really soon. It's really, really crazy. Yes, Goku, this is the goal. This is the goal. Promise you, we're gonna do like live streaming 24 hours really soon. Yes, almost 1 a.m. here in Paris, guys. Happy weekend, everybody, and see you in the next live streaming. And as I said, you can actually watch this live streaming after we finish it. So if you didn't see like Lkco or AMC is always being covered, so you can check it after the live streaming. So enjoy your weekend and get ready to hunt for exact price value with me next week. See you guys.